insurers must now cover mental wellness exams like they would a routine physical.
The governor signed a first-in-the-nation type of law today aimed at preventing another mental health crisis. We've talked a lot about it during the pandemic. Our political specialist Sean Boyd shows us lawmakers have made one solution permanent.
Just as an annual physical can help detect high blood pressure before it leads to a heart attack, an annual mental wellness exam can help detect depression before it leads to suicide, and even reduce the physical manifestations of stress and anxiety like heart disease. But many people wait until they're in crisis to seek help. The new law aimed at helping them before they reach that point.
We've never focused in this way anywhere in the United States on mental health wellness like we're about to do in Colorado.
2 years ago, Representative Daphne Michelson-Jeannet had a radical idea to make mental health care just as routine and relevant as physical health care.
We are constantly hearing somebody has to do something about our mental health crisis. Guess what? The governor today is about to do something about our mental health crisis.
Governor Polis signed a first-in-the-nation law that requires insurers to cover annual mental wellness exams just like they do annual physicals.
We know this from physical health care, that if you are proactive in taking care of your health, you don't end up in the emergency room. And that is what we're trying to do with our mental health wellness.
I'm really hopeful that this bill will not only impact fewer emergency room visits, I'm really hopeful that it's going to mean fewer people stepping into our courthouses.
Adams County District Attorney Brian Mason among those who lobbied for the bill.
There's a mental health crisis in this country, and it disproportionately impacts the criminal justice system.
The hope is to help Coloradans with depression and anxiety before it leads to drug and alcohol abuse or worse. Representative Brianna Titone, co-sponsor of the bill, says the savings could be considerable.
Crises end up costing people time, money, and their loved one's life, perhaps.
We have to stop the crisis level management of our mental health care. It's time for wellness, and we're here.
Michelson-Jeannet hopes the new law will lead to Coloradans having primary care therapists just like they do primary care physicians. And by making mental health care routine will help reduce the stigma around mental illness. At the Capitol, Sean Boyd covering Colorado First.